Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Today we have a beginner lesson for you. Can with possibilities. So if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. Can for possibilities. Can is a modal verb. We use modal verbs to talk about possibilities. Possibilities are options. Something that you choose to do instead of other choices, other alternatives, other options. Use can plus verb to talk about possibilities. For example, I can choose what I eat for lunch. This means there are many options: Japanese food, Korean food, Mexican food, American food, Italian food, All of them are good. I can choose what I eat for lunch because there are many options, many possibilities. I can sleep in late on the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, I can sleep in late on the weekend. Why? I do not have to work on the weekend, so I do not have to get up early. I can sleep in. People can travel all over the world. There are many options, many places, many countries you can go in the world. Students can come to Canada, where I live, to learn English. This means it is possible to do this. If you want to come to Canada to learn English, you can. It is possible. In Canada, the weather can get very cold at night. This means very cold temperatures are possible at night. Not always, but sometimes, often, the temperature can be very cold at night because Canada is in the north, of course. Batman can drive the Batmobile or the Batwing. Hopefully you know the Batmobile and the Batwing. What does this mean? Both options are possible for Batman to use. He can drive the car, the Batmobile, or he can fly in the Batwing, the airplane. Horror movies can be really scary for some people. Do you think horror movies are scary? I don't usually. This is a possibility, but it is not always true. Sometimes the movie is not good, not scary, and sometimes people do not become scared easily. It is difficult for some people to become scared. Maybe I am one of those people. What about you? You can answer me in the comments section. Do you want to learn about negatives and questions with can? Watch my video about can for abilities. I talk more about questions and negatives in that video. The link is in the description of this video. Find the link for that video. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Maybe consider sharing this video with a friend or a classmate, someone you think might benefit or learn something from my videos. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.